Many of our competitors have focused their efforts in the last few years around the emerging markets and the BRIC economies as they're known. That's been no different for LMA. Those have been a great source of revenue growth for the company. And we've very much focused on 2 out of the 5 markets within the BRICS in order to get real focus around the growth opportunity that exists there. We already had a very strong growth business in South Africa, and we continue to nurture and nourish that business, and it continues to go from strength to strength through our distribution partner. But we identified China and Brazil as the 2 other major opportunities where we took investment plans to our board for China initially 2 years ago, for Brazil in the last 12 months. And we started an investment program that in China we're already seeing significant return on our investment, and my expectation is over the next 5 years we'll continue to see a very rapid growth in the Chinese marketplace. Brazil is very much at the beginning of that curve, but I'm very excited about the opportunities we have in Brazil, and the relationships that we've built with key opinion leaders in the Society of Anesthesiology in Brazil is very important to the future of our opportunity there. Russia and India are 2 very interesting markets, obviously huge populations with great potential, but they are extremely difficult to access, these 2 markets, and they are complex in their nature, both in terms of their structure, the financing of these markets, and access to the appropriate types of patients. So we do have presence in both markets, in both Russia and India, and I would say we're at the phase of really finding our way to work out the most appropriate strategy to be able to enter these markets successfully, but also to be able to build a sustainable business going forward.